streaming intermediary DGB is like intermediation between the suppliers and the consumer. That how you can be linked between the supplier and consumer. You are not the supplier, and you are not the consumer. You are the middleman in it.
There is some website you can download from it, which is download intermediary digital good business. It's exacting digital good download service. For example, digital music and digital movies.
There are like pros and cons for the streaming direct businesses and the downloadable direct businesses, intermediate businesses over there. In downloadable, it is like for example, you download once and then you can watch as many as time you like it, right? In the
Okay.
streaming, yeah, in the streaming you don't download it. You whenever you want to watch it, you have to be online, isn't it?
Yes, you just
In, yeah. So in case if you don't have internet connection, you will not be able to watch it, right?
yes.
Okay. The second option is that in case if you have like on mobile, give you just like 2 GB free, right? So
Mhm.
after 2 GB of your data, so when your 2 GB of data is finished, so what will happen? Would you be able to stream?
No, you have to buy another 2 GB.
Yeah,
So
right. This,
everything.
this is yeah, this is my question. Yeah. So it means that there is a pros and cons. The streaming is good for the companies, especially those who want to earn money on that one. So there are two examples. What are these two examples? We have it.
Blizzard.com
Mm-hmm.
and Kaplan.com. And
Yeah.
Blizzard for digital games, and the Kaplan is education site.
Okay.
And
Very good.
but you have to be with the connection. So if you lost it, you lost the connect with them.
Okay. Right. So who is what is the special thing in this one? Blizzard.com. They call it streaming direct. What is streaming direct in these websites? Are they owner of this game and this educational site? For it?
For the Kaplan, they are the owner, but
Yeah.
for
So
the Blizzard,
for
I'm not sure about it.
can anyone help it? Blizzard is the owner by itself or no?
Yeah, I think, Doctor, because it's browsing, then it's streaming immediately.
Okay, right. Okay, the book you have it. I send you the book links over there. Is it streaming or it's a direct? It is downloadable.
No, it's download the book because we download it.
You downloaded the book over there. The book I have given you of this digital business book. Is it downloadable or
Yeah.
only? Okay. So there is a both option for you.
Mhm.
Okay, right.
Download direct digital goods business. Sales of direct goods business in downloaded format. Software and administrative, legal and business documents, like Simons.com and legal from legal forms kit.com.
Okay,
Yeah,
like just like antivirus, we have it. Semantic
yeah,
antivirus. We have a Norton
yeah,
antivirus, and a lot of. So we can download and then from their original site from the owner. So direct means from the owner, and download means it's downloadable, right? And
yeah.
similarly, the legal form kit. So here also it is for like legal documents for the. So you can also try it. It is the example. These are the examples. So the question you ask, if anyone asks me, what are the examples now? These are the different examples we are having it.